Fresh and full of flavor, this amazing key lime cake from scratch is a must-try. The combination of vanilla cake with fresh lime juice makes for the perfect summer dessert. This is a wonderful cake for serving at barbecues or dinner parties, as it is refreshing and delicious. Though this cake has a lot of ingredients, it is fairly simple to make. By carefully following the instructions, you will have a truly tasty cake. This key lime cake is sure to be a hit with your family and friends. What you will need. For the cake: 1 package lime-flavored gelatin, 1 1/3 cups granulated sugar, 2 cups all-purpose flour, sifted, 1 teaspoon baking powder, ½ teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1½ cups vegetable oil, 3/4 cup orange juice, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, ½ teaspoon vanilla extract, 5 large eggs, slightly beaten. For the glaze: ½ cup key lime juice, ½ cup confectioner's sugar. For the frosting: ½ cup butter, room temperature, 8 ounces cream cheese, room temperature, 1 pound box confectioner's sugar. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Spray the 9 by 12-inch baking tray with cooking spray. Step 2. In a large mixing bowl, combine the gelatin, granulated sugar, flour, salt, baking powder, and baking soda. Step 3. To the dry ingredients, add the oil, orange juice, lemon juice, vanilla, and eggs. Mix until the key lime batter is well combined. Step 4. Carefully pour the cake batter into your 9 by 12-inch baking tray. Bake the cake for 35 to 40, using a toothpick to check for doneness. If the toothpick comes out clean, your key lime cake is done. Cool the cake in the pan for nearly 5 minutes. Then, allow the key lime cake to cool on a wire rack. Step 5. In a small bowl, mix the lime juice and confectioner's sugar using a fork. Pour over the cake while it is still warm. Step 6. In a large bowl, cream together the butter and cream cheese using an electric mixer. Slowly add in the confectioner's sugar and beat until the frosting is well combined. Step 7. Once the cake is fully cool, spread the cream cheese frosting over the top and sides of the cake. Slice and serve your cake. Tips and tricks. Store this key lime cake in the fridge in an airtight container. It can last in the fridge for 3 to 5 days when properly stored. This cake can also be frozen as well for 3 to 6 months. First, place the cake in the freezer uncovered to allow the frosting to set. Then, take it out and cover it in plastic wrap and aluminum foil before placing it back in the freezer. When you are ready to serve the cake, let it sit on your counter for 1 to 2 hours at room temperature. In addition, you can also let it thaw in your fridge overnight. You can also make this cake in 3 9-inch round cake pans if you want a layer of cake. Bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. When making this cake, it is best to use fresh limes, either key limes or regular ones. However, if you don't have any fresh limes, you can also use store-bought lime juice as well. For more lime flavor, you can also add lime zest into the glaze. Be certain when making the frosting to make sure the butter and cream cheese are at room temperature. When mixing cream cheese for the frosting, it can curdle if it is too cold. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.